Ayan mga kalindog, we're going to take a shower.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
January 2nd. O diba? January 2nd. Dapat we're going to take a shower ng January 1st. But it's okay. So guys, we're going to shower. See? Diba? Ay. Oh my god. Guys, like take a shower. Okay. But before, wait. I'm gonna put in here. So you will see it when I'm showering. Like for example here. Tingnan natin. Let us see. If you will see when I'm taking a shower. Okay. So, ayan, ganyan. Magiging ganyan siya. Ayan. So, dapat is right that. Okay. Ayan, ganyan. So, there we go guys. We're going to take a shower. Ayan mga kalindog. This is our first January ligo. O diba? Of course, we're going to use the Sunsilk. Ayan. Ito tayo. We need to put the Sunsilk here. Ayan. Diba? We need to massage it. Diba? It's like my kilikili or my underarm is blocked for my team. But anyway guys, ganyan, diba? Unang ligo ng taon, the first shower in the 2022. O diba? And of course, gagamit tayo, we're going to use the what do you call it? The placenta. Ayan, placenta soft. Okay. So there we go. So there we go. Ayan, mga kanyang gaganda. So, what is that? Done my shower. Ayan. So, oh my God, look. Diba? So nice to take a shower every night. But yesterday, no time because I cooked pancit and I fixed all the table and I cleaned a little bit the house, so no time. So ngayon lang, time, so that's why. There we go. We make a shower. Wait. So, ayan mga kalindo. Let's go now. Ayan, diba? Shower in January. Kalindo, we're done to shower. Of course. So, ayan, parang feeling fresh, right? Feeling fresh. Ayan, mga kalindo, we brush our teeth. Diba? our nightly routine before going to the bed, before going in the bed. I'm gonna try this. Ayan mga kalindong. We're done. So now we need to apply our cream. See? Ayan, ito ang tolerant sensitive wish. Ayan. That's it. So, ayan. That's it. So, let's put some cream. Body lotion. Ayan ang kalindog. Let's put some cream. Ayan, body cream. And of course, after taking a shower, we need some cream in our body, right? Or not? I'm gonna put always the body cream. Like that. This body cream is also from Victoria's Secret, alright? There we go. Of course, here we go. Sunny weather outside, it's raining. So, this is tawas. Tawas, they called in the Philippines. So, I don't know, this is a kind of crystal stone in the Philippines, but this is better. This is really powerful. This is really working to my underarm. I'm not waiting for that. So ayan guys, we need also to, and this is for my night sleep. What do you call it? My nightie? So, so there we go guys. And now we need to dry my hair. Okay, I'm ready now for. So ayan guys, we need to dry our hair. So, ayan, so ready for sleeping after drying my hair. drying. No place no more to dry. So let's dry in our room, okay? Because here no more socket. Here we go. Let's try here. Show you how to dry my hair. Diba? Parang necessary, diba? Ayan. Wait, mga kalindo. May tatas pa ba ito? Wala na. Ano siya may tatas? So, ayan guys. I'm ready to going to sleep. O, diba? I'm already done. So, guys, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I hope did you enjoy my shower routine every night. And this is the first of my shower in January in the 2022. So, bye. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all. Diba, I show you my outfit for sleeping. Diba? There we go. Bye.